Hi, my name is Rupin. I'm the program lead for stream and design thinking for all Kanakia schools in Mumbai.
I am Anish Kumar Bidada, studying in IBDP1 in Kanakia International School. I'm the vice president of the school and I'm a part of the team Nemesis.
Hi, I'm Tanya Salaskar. I study BP1 in Kanakia International School, IB. I'm the president of the school and a part of team Nemesis.
Hi, I'm Oscar from IBDP1 Kanakia International Chapel, and I'm a part of the Nemesis team.
Hi, I'm Disha Desai. I am the CATS head in EP1 of Kanakia International School, and I'm part of team Nemesis.
So our goal of creating this opportunity for all the students across Mumbai was for them to be excited about robotics in their curriculum and have a chance to compete professionally in a robotics competition. Most of the students that we expect to participate in the competition, they would build their robots and they would go around the track that we built in front of us. So behind me is the track that we have for the Nemesis Drivebot Rally competition. As you can see, a lot of effort has been put into make the track. Why don't we hear it from the student team from IBDP1 who has put in lots of effort in marketing, in building, in designing the track, and let's hear their thoughts of it.
So we started with this project after our coding classes. We sat together, we thought of like tracks and like different obstacles that would be difficult for about the pass through, and then we made our own sketch about it, like of the track, and then we sat together, made a 3D model, and then eventually we built the track. We want a carpenter to come help us, and that's how we give back Nemesis.
So we have our track here and a lot of technical aspects behind this track, the way we built it, the prototype which we have done before actually building this, the designs and the drafts of the track. Everyone has contributed into this. For example, in the beginning, we tried a lot of prototype materials, like we brought few cardboards, made the tracks, made the ramps to test if we can run the robot on it, and then we made a robot that we measured the dimensions of it. Like we found out the dimension of 10 by 10 inches would be suitable enough for our track, and then we eventually built our track in that way. So the width of our track is rather 12 inches, so that the car can go in easily. And almost every ramp which we have is designed such a way that the angles are built in such a way that almost every car which the participants build can be crossed, and we have measured angles while the turns as well, so that it won't be that difficult for them. And few ramps which we thought was going to be challenging, the ones which have a higher angle, because when we were testing our robot, it was a bit difficult for us to climb it, but we were successful. So those few challenging stuffs, we had it at the end, so that at least they have the encouragement of completing the
I am Aru Basu.
My name is Kazanda Silva.
And my name is Ayan Beg. And we are from Podar International School. We are representing Team 1 for Podar International School, and we have created this racing car robot named RB23.
In this model, we have used a 4-and-2 battery pack joined together with via series circuit. We have used two plastic bodies to hold the circuits. We have used an HC06 Bluetooth module to connect to our device, Android device. We have used an Arduino Uno Ref 3 for the circuit tray, and also an L298N motor driver, which drives the 4 DC motors that are visible over here.
I was very keen when I got to know that we are invited to Kanakia International School to showcase the robot that we have built, because this gave us an opportunity to learn more about robots and how battery operated robots can also run as well.
I saw in YouTube, this is a 22 mAh and this is a rubber wings. It's used for rubber wings is not sleepy. And I'm using for 4 gear motors, 3 RPMs. And I'm using this megahertz chips, 2 megahertz chips I'm using.
So right now the formation is a little bit right now, but here was supposed to be different types of tires on both sides, and you have connected 4 150 RPM motors connected through a system of wires to a power supply that directly connects to a plug. So it does not need any batteries or transmitters or senders. It is completely wired. It's not wireless. So firstly, my seniors, who were my very good friends, they came to me and they told me about the project. Since they know I like robotics and I had always been interested in it, they told me that there's a nice competition going on where I can build a car and we can showcase it with taking it through a course. And I was very interested in it, and I right away jumped on it to take part in this competition, building this car.
Hi, we are from Kanakia International School. I'm Palash. Anjana, it's our straight away.